All right, so here we go again. Crypto is falling yet again. We see XRP not looking the best. We see Bitcoin not looking the best, and many other things that are also not going the way that we all hoped that they would go. In a perfect world would mean that we would see crypto go from a $3 trillion market cap to a $10 trillion market cap without no negative days, no sadness, no waiting around to see things that are going to explode and they don't or they decrease. We would just see nothing but positivity and the markets are just flourishing. And that would be in a perfect world for me, right? Maybe not necessarily the person that didn't decide to buy, that wouldn't be a perfect world for them. They want to see retracements and they want to have opportunity. And usually I'm looking at this like I do have opportunity. But for me right now, I'm not looking to buy any new cryptocurrency. So if I'm not looking to buy, I'm just waiting around with my hand underneath my legs, underneath my thighs while I'm sitting down, and I'm just sitting on my hands, right? Not trying to do anything, not trying to sell anything, not trying to get out of anything, because I try to be as patient as possible. And I usually am. I really am very, very patient. I haven't sold anything. I don't think I'm getting antsy at all. But it really does upset me every time I would look at the market, and I honestly don't want to look at it, don't want to make a video, don't want to do anything related to talking about this negativity because it just adds to more negativity talking about how the crypto market is crashing or XRP is falling or Jasmine coin looks like this or CRO looks like that. You know what I mean? So in this video, I want to talk about XRP, how it is dropping, how it has dropped below $2 for the first time in the last, maybe week or so. We saw it skyrocket and make some huge moves, and it looked positive. But just because something looks positive doesn't mean it can't turn around the corner and all of a sudden it gets stabbed 12 times, and then now everything's negative. That's the way that it seemed. So make sure you guys hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter or follow me on Patreon at PerryHGA, you can follow me over there. Don't forget about my link for BTCC down below if you guys are interested in that platform. It is a very good platform where you can get a 10% deposit bonus if you use my link on your first time deposit. You can get extra bonuses up to $10,055 and trade up to 40% lower trading fees. So it is a really, really good platform. I've been using for over a year, and they have a giveaway going on. If you use my link, sign up, deposit, and trade by January 31st, you will be entered to win 375 USDT. They're going to pick two winners, and you honestly don't understand how good your chances are to win 375 USDT. That is free money. Check it out if you guys want to. And yeah, hopefully you find a great platform like this that you can utilize for leverage trading, trading outright, or even just demo trading. But the crypto market, not at the best spot, right? Crypto currently stands at a $3.02 trillion market cap. We're seeing that things like Bitcoin are below 90,000 again. It's down 4% in the last 24 hours, down to a 100 or 1.7, almost 1.8 trillion dollar market cap, which doesn't sound like it had any type of hit, but to know that this was at a 100 plus, 120 plus $1,000 price point and a over $2 trillion market cap, that's where you start to go, okay, that's a significant amount, over $200 billion, if not way more than that. Ethereum, that's down by 7% below a $3,000 price point and a $360 billion market cap. But the topic of this video is more about XRP. XRP is standing at a $1.89 price. Again, it's down 5.5%, and we're seeing it at a $115 billion market cap. The thought and the questions that come across my desk is definitely more about, are we going to see it drop below the $100 billion market cap? And there's always a possibility. I'm not going to count anything out to say that it will never happen, because I did that with Jasmine coin, as Jasmine was sitting at about 2 cents and getting down to 1.5 cents. Like, there's no way that this drops below 1 cent. Well, guess where it is right now? It has dropped below 1 cent, giving me an opportunity to buy more, and I'm grateful for that. But I didn't believe that those things would happen. But anything really is possible in the crypto market. So XRP, if we zoom in to this position, again, it's sitting at a $1.89 price point. In the last day, it's down by 5.4%. We can see it go from that $2 mark to then just consistently and continually decrease throughout the day. If we look at the last week, we've seen it from a $2.15, $2.17 price all the way down to where we are at $1.89. We look at the last month, it's found a way to go from a lower than where we are now, right? A $1.83 price all the way up to a $2.40 price, then dropping back down to that $1.80 price again. So it's not great to see it below $2. You want to see it thrive and hold at some of these levels. But if the markets and, if crypto and government and all this negative news out there is continuing with that, you're going to see the negative side of crypto. Right? You have how crypto criminals stole $713 million. Is that negative or is that positive? Negative. You see Bitcoin's price falling below 90,000. Negative or positive? It's negative. Bitcoin dips under 90K as crypto stocks plunge amid fresh Trump trade war turmoil. So governmental impact also has a major impact to cryptocurrency, and you see XRP that is falling. So it's not the best situation. It calls for a lot of patience. I've said this in plenty of my videos. As we see negativity, patience is key. And that's why I'm able to survive so long. And that's why I'm able to see all the benefits that you would end up seeing, is because throughout the positive runs that we see, those short positive runs, we see a long-standing, long-term negativity, right? Not necessarily like, oh, this is the bear market. It's just from the peak points down, is it going to get back to those peak points? It doesn't show us that it's getting back there in that time period, right? We have to then see that next short burst to get to a $4 price or a $5 price. Then we see more negativity that comes from institutional impact, ETFs, governmental impact, right? Stealing money, seeing money that's being stolen, across different platforms, or some illegal activity that's happening, or not understanding crypto. There's a lot of things that factor into this, and it's not concerning me. I'm okay. I still have all of my XRP. I don't plan on doing anything with it, but it is under that $2 price point again. So for anybody that was looking for the opportunity to buy XRP, under $2 is a very good price. Is it the best price? No. But is it a very good price? For sure. I think there's a lot of opportunity above the sub $2 level, and you can make 100% after 100% after 100%, as this continues to make these moves. So I want to know what you guys think about where XRP stands, also the crypto market, anything you really want to talk about. Hopefully it's just not negative. I want to kind of move away from this. I don't like making videos that really, really key in on the negativity that's happening in the markets. I want to see positivity, right? I want to continue with the positivity, continue with talking about how XRP can get to such higher levels, not necessarily just like this is where it is now. But maybe, again, you can look at it as an opportunity. XRP is a good price to buy. Many other things in the market, a good price to buy. You have an opening. Whether you take that opening, it's totally up to you. Or you can leverage trade, whatever you feel like doing. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Speaking of leverage trading, make sure you check out my link for BTCC at the top of the description. But I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Hopefully tomorrow is more positive. I doubt it, but hopefully it is.